Hey guys, Daniel here with a really quick, short, super helpful tutorial video. So today I'm going to show you how to find and ethically hack your competitors' Facebook ads, their best performing Facebook ads. So here I'm on Facebook. And so before, a little bit ago, you used to be able to see your competitors' ads. There used to be a button down here at the end of their page. It was like view ads or something like that. But because of the Facebook ad transparency policies, but they've actually taken that away. But you still can see your competitors' Facebook ads. So what you do is simply pull up a Google tab and type in Facebook ads library like that. Okay, right here, ad library dash Facebook. So you're just going to click that button. And from here, you can see all of your competitors' Facebook ads. All right, so I'm just going to show the business that I'm a part of. So Bridgecom Systems, super easy. You just literally type in the advertiser, and it pulls up all of their ads when they started running. So that's how you can kind of tell if they're successful or not, whether they keep running them or not. And you can actually, so you can see all the copy, the pictures, and even if you go and if you click see ad details, you can even get the links. So like if you click additional assets from this ad, click that, you can see all the links, so you can get to their landing pages. You can see all the text, so you can model it and modify it to your own uses. You can even see the pictures and then model the style of the pictures. And then you can also kind of see the style of campaigns, like what are they actually doing. So like for this one, we're running a giveaway. So you could maybe run a giveaway. Of course, we're in the physical products, high ticket e-commerce space. So you'd want to probably model people that are in your industry. So for example, if you're selling some kind of digital course, a guy that I really like, Iman Gaji, he sells a social media marketing course. And you can actually see his ads. So what ads is he running? He's a very successful guy. I might want to model him if I was going to sell a course. So you can actually go in here and see all the ads he's running, when he started running them, and you can model them appropriately. So how this is helpful is you can basically have now a starting point from, you don't have to start from scratch when you're running your ads. You can actually find a successful person that's already running ads and then see what they're writing, kind of how they structure their copy and what pictures they use and stuff like that. And you can model them and use your product and model your ads around their ads, because they're clearly already working. And of course, use somebody in your industry. If you're like a restaurant, model other successful restaurants. If you sell a course, model people that successfully sell courses. Infuse your unique selling proposition in there, and use this as a good place to start building your campaign. So hope that helps, guys. Please hit the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, helps me to reach more people. And hit the subscribe button so you can get more of these really great tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter.